So you want to know how I bought this Elantra for 400 bucks, fixed it and flipped it for $3,800 profit, and this Tucson for 200 bucks, which I fixed and flipped, made a good profit. I just bought this Santa Fe for 1,000 bucks. Follow along and I'll show you how I find good deals. So first of all, you're going to want to check out Facebook Marketplace. I know Facebook Marketplace is absolute dog shit, but you can get good deals there. You're going to want to check out all your local buy and sell websites like Craigslist, Kijiji. Here we have NL Classifieds and auctions. Don't forget auctions. I mean, sometimes I got really good deals at auctions, other times not so much. I guess it all depends on how many people are bidding. I got this one, my favorite way of getting cars. It's good, it's easy, and you often get a very good price on a car like this. So let's get at it. The things I do for YouTube. Going to want to go into a car dealership. Drive past all these new cars. You're going to want to drive to the very back of the lot. This is where you'll find all the as is, all the things that the dealerships don't want to put on their lot. This stuff normally goes to auction, but you can often buy it from them. Look at all these as is cars. 2016, 150k. Aston's about 7 grand. You get that for 6. 13 Accent, 81,000 kilometers on it. 43.97. You'll pick this up for about 3,500 bucks. 2015 Kia Forte, 158,000 kilometers, 4,500 bucks. This car you'll get for less than 4 grand. And this is the latest car flip. So I already have this thing paid for. It's ready to go. This is a 2013 Santa Fe, I do believe. It just had a new engine installed at the dealership. I picked this up for 1,000 bucks. Let's get her loaded up. As you can tell, that took me about 5 minutes. It's not my first time loading a car up on a dolly. All right, so let's just see what I got here. Look at that. Fully loaded, heated leather seats, panoramic sunroof. Now before you go into the comments there and write down, wait, you can't put an all-wheel drive car on a tow dolly. I know. The drive shaft is already removed. This is honestly my favorite way to get a good deal on a used car. There's really no hassle. You walk in, you look at it, you test drive it if you can. A lot of times these bigger dealers, they don't want this stuff on their lot. This just goes to auction. So if you come in and you offer them a price, or they give you a price, and if you like it, you buy it and you go home. A lot less hassle than Marketplace and those other buy and sell groups. It's not going nowhere. Driving up my ass. I might need the keys, eh, bud? here she is, the $1,000 2013 Santa Fe. Now I'll be honest with you, I bought this kind of with the intentions on scrapping it, and I'll show you why. That is a brand new engine that was just installed at Hyundai, not even 10 kilometers on it. I know for a fact, this thing needs an alternator. You can see the belt's off. This belt is just right here. That alternator sees down there. So let's jack it up, take the wheels off it, see what else this car needs before I do scrap it. I may not scrap it because it is in really good shape. The interior is in great shape. The outside, the body is in great shape. There's no rust. So I do feel bad if I do scrap this car. But if the numbers don't make sense, this engine will be coming out. I'd have no trouble getting $3 for this engine and tripling my money. Let's get her jacked up. Yes, sir. Alright, we're gonna go around, we're gonna shake all these wheels. It's kind of like this. We're gonna check and see if any suspension is loose, if the wheel rings are bad, that sort of thing. So suspension feels tight. Now we're going to take these wheels off. We're going to have a good look at the brakes, better look at the bushings, and we're going to have a better look at the underneath of this car. All four tires are in excellent shape. We got literally brand new front and rear brakes. Brand new. Well, that's not good. So we got brand new rear brakes, but the handbrake don't work. I'm gonna go ahead on a wild guess and say that whoever replaced these brakes took all the handbrake gear off and probably chucked it in the garbage. So if you look in this hole where the handbrake gear would be, look, you can see my fingers back there. So the backing plates are completely gone. Yeah, so those backing plates are completely gone, and as you can see in there, there's no handbrake gear. Oh, hey, over there. It doesn't seem to be too rusty under here. All right. So if you look right on up there, so we got a brand new flex plate, which is great. Brand new engine, great. If you look up right up there closely, oh yeah. So that is the exhaust manifold. This is the cat. Now, this has been welded. I mean, it's not leaking right now, but it has been welded. So I don't know how long that will last. I don't know. And what we're looking at here is the four-wheel drive coupler. This is the rear end right here. So this four-wheel drive coupler is completely leaked out. That will definitely need to be replaced. The rear end right here, axle seal definitely leaking. Other axle seal probably leaking. Probably the vent up here is seized. This is the rear shock. You can see how damp it is, so this needs to be replaced. Oh, geez, boys. I can't wait to get that ramp in. Alright, so let's go to the pros and cons here. And I'm going to let you guys decide whether we're going to scrap this car. I'll definitely make at least $2,000, if not $3,000, purely by removing this engine and selling it, along with a few other parts I can sell. Or should we bite the bullet and try to fix this car and flip it? Either way, I'm good. I'm going to make money. I know I am. But I'm going to let you guys, the viewers, decide. So, the pros. This thing has a brand new engine with literally maybe 10 kilometers on it. The tires, white new. The windshield is good. It's fully loaded. It's got heated leather seats. It's got a panoramic roof and a backup camera. It's got all brand new brakes, front and rear. And in overall condition, the body is in pretty good shape. The interior is in great condition for the age and the mileage. I'd almost feel bad scrapping this car. I won't, but I almost would. And the cons. Handbrake doesn't work. we're gonna need shoes and hardware, probably 2 rear backing plates. We need an alternator. We need a 4-wheel drive coupler. I know for a fact those are about 800 bucks or more, I think. We're gonna need 2 rear axle seals and fluid. We need that shock. And the manifold and that cat has been welded together, which I don't really know what to do. It's not leaking right now, but I mean, I don't know how long it's gonna last. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see. Scrap it or fix and flip.